Hey, how y'all doing? Average Joe 76. Back with another video. We are going to be working on this Troy-Bilt. Voila. Push more. I'm trying to fix the pull rope. As you can see, it's messed up. So we're going to take this cover off of it. So that's what we're going to try to do today. Hopefully, you'll be able to see it. And you see my sidekick back in the background. He's helping me out. So we're going to start by taking this cover off. And I believe the little screws here, not in very tight. They're going to be like a 5/16. Yeah, they're 5/16. So let's yank those bad boys out real quick. I've had this mower apart before. But if you remember right, this is the lawnmower that the tree fell on. When we had that Hurricane Helene, I can't say it. I'm not even gonna pretend to be able to say it. But come through, we had all the winds and it blew the tree down at Mama's house. Well, it fell on this little lawnmower, so the top of it. This is like one of her favorite lawnmowers. So we're gonna be yanking the top off this bad boy. And we're gonna try to get down in there and see exactly what is going on. Okay, so we got all the bolts out of the top of it. So let's just lift the cover off here and see what we are looking at. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you can see the where the spring and pulley sit on top of the mower. These little plastic pieces, they actually, when you pull it, it catches in these little teeth right here and it allows you to pull the mower. But it appears that the, yeah, there's a clip or a pin. I'm assuming that would go in here somewhere. But it looks, look, you can see where it's crushed a lot of it, broke a lot of it. This little plastic piece holds that spring in there. So I'm not real sure if we're gonna be able to fix it, especially with this busted on the top here. If you can see that there, probably not, but it split this pulley up top. So, I don't know, boys and girls. This might be one. Now, I'm pretty sure you can buy all this stuff. And you would have to. See, it's busted up. Look, all that plastic is gone. All that's gone. So, yeah. That's one of those that you can't repair. But we tried. We looked at it. Now, I guess we could go and see if we can buy this at some point in time. See if we can fix it. But yeah, let's get down there a little bit better. See how busted up this is. And that's trash. So, Mama's favorite lawnmower. I'm not real sure we're gonna be able to get this bad boy back together today, not without ordering parts. But that's how it goes sometimes. You don't know until you dig into something to see if you can fix it, or if it's something that you have to order parts for, or go to the parts store to get. I hate that. It's been a good little mower. Had it for a long time. But see, they make stuff today that's just made out of plastic. I mean, look at this. It's just plastic. Thin plastic, and that's what's holding in the pulley housing. I mean, how crazy is that? It's just plastic pieces everywhere. Yeah, boys and girls, that's not gonna be fixed. But hey, we tried. We looked at it. Win some, you lose some. This is Average Joe 76. Hey, thank you for watching the video. Like I said, we gave it a shot. We wouldn't have known if we didn't try. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll talk with you later on. Have a good day.